heater's only 1500 watt. And the generator's struggling to keep this thing running. You guys see the power go out. It's gonna stumble on itself. Yeah, there you go. Power went out. It's on eco mode. Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have this Honda EU2000i that runs all right when it's not under power, and then once you put it under load, she seems to struggle and want to die. We're gonna figure out what the heck is going on. There's a few things I want to look at to try to diagnose what the issue is, because it might have been something I did for sure. One of the quick checks we're gonna do is take off the air filter, these two nuts, get down behind, check at the gaskets, make sure I have them in the correct orientation. And if they are, I'm gonna drain the fuel right there, take the carburetor apart, check that. And then lastly, when I was going through all the tests, sometimes the coil would test good, sometimes the coil wouldn't, so maybe an ignition problem. So I picked up an aftermarket coil that might try too and see what happens. So if indeed the problem is fuel related, which I'm thinking, and there's one more bolt in there. So the bolts for the carburetor and the carburetor housing are 8mm. Take the two nuts off the carb. Hopefully this will be an easy fix. If not, I'm gonna find out. I'm going to pull that breather tube off, get that out. So I think I may have actually got the gaskets in backwards. Let's see what gasket I have underneath here. And I believe I do, yep. I believe that's what my issue is. So I think that's gonna be an easy fix, because this one here is the one that's supposed to go there. Okay, I'm going to put that one on. Slide the carburetor back on the bolts as such. And then this one here goes like that. Looked like a case of the backwards gasket in the wrong place, so everything's back together. Gonna try round two. Got the heater going. Generator even seems to be running way nicer for sure. Not choking itself out. So we've been going about 10 minutes now. That's like a 1500 watt load. And you can see that LED is not fading at all. Needless to say, operator error. Putting the wrong gasket in makes a world of difference.